Run VT, Errol! Hello guys, welcome back. It's Friday, it's bark speed time. So today, what I thought we could do is do a bit of shot blasting. I've got this really dirty plate here. This goes on the engine and it's full of oil and rust. And basically I'm going to put it in the shot blaster and see what we can do. So without further ado, I'm going to fire it up. Okay, so basically I'm going to show you a before and after. This is after, and then this is basically what I'm going to get rid of. It's quite difficult to see inside there because the perspex is so scored, because obviously it's had loads of things shot blast in the past. But you can see from the look of it that basically that side is sort of okay, but I'm going to do both sides to give it a good key. But the rust and the marks all around this will benefit from being done, and then obviously we can then put some paint on there. Right, and there we have it. It's been shot blast. All the crap's been taken off of it, and I've given it the once over with a cloth. Get all the debris off. So now it's just a case of putting some paint on there. Pretty cool. I do like my shot blaster. So that was just a quick glimpse into playing with the shot blaster. Just a quick video this week because I've got quite a lot on and I haven't had a lot of time down here spare. But I am going to come down tomorrow, Saturday, hopefully in the morning, just to do a bit more. But for now, it's a bye-bye from me. Thanks for watching. Cheers. See you later.